Hi, this is Kate. Okay, let's continue. So, we prepared vegetables and we fried drumstick chickens, and then we take the drumstick chickens out, and in the pot we have juicy oils from chickens. So on top of that we'll put onions, garlic, celery, onion, garlic, and celery into the pot, and we cover the pot. We spread the vegetables on the pot for and leave them for a while. Why we do this? Because if the vegetables as we fry vegetables, we leave the vegetables on the heat, it will release water from them. So after that we will mix them up. What I am trying to say is we will mix the oil from chicken and vegetables up. So if it doesn't mix well together, we can use dry